just realized. Hey creeps, what's up? My hair is stuck in the net. Wonderful way to start this video. What is up, creeps? Welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be doing a werewolf, which is the reason why I have all of this to work with today. Yeah. I need to just straighten my hair specifically for this video. I have to sneeze. It's not coming. Nope, it's not coming. Okay, moving on. So today we're doing a werewolf. It's the last look of my monster series, and then we will be moving on to Tim Burton characters. Yes, that's what I'm really excited for. Anyway, so I have some tools. I have some tools and stuff to work with. I've got some fur. These are actually leggings that you find in like you can find them in Spirit Halloween, but I got mine specifically from Party City like 2 years ago. Yeah, these are from 2 years ago. I'm using the excess that I used when I turned my other half into a werewolf, but today I'm turning myself into one, so I was like, hand it over, I'm gonna need that. So I'm gonna try to do something up here. I'm gonna give myself some sideburns, and of course I'm gonna put some on here. We're gonna be using the power of liquid latex, and possibly putting just a little bit up here for some more dramatic eyebrow action. I'm not a stranger to putting liquid latex in places that liquid latex should not go, so I'm not scared, and I am brave enough to attempt so that you don't make stupid mistakes like I do. I will be your guinea pig. Yeah, moving on. What is up, creeps? So for the first portion of this video, you're gonna see me map out where I first of all want to put my added on hairpiece. We're gonna cover that up with some liquid latex that is going to be your glue, your adhesive, the thing that keeps your fake hair in place. Keep in mind, this is all a matter of trial and error. If you mess up, try again. And the method that I use with this to make it look like it's growing out of my head is I just keep layering on latex upon latex with the hair under it. Make it look like it's literally coming out of my head. The latex is also acting as like your second coat of skin. And the method that I use is that I just keep layering on latex upon latex upon latex between that and the fake hair to make it look like it's actually growing out of my head, so it appears like your latex is actually acting as like your second coat of skin. And then go over the top portion with your concealer or foundation, whatever you have, just to make it look even more realistic. After that, I like to go in with some black eyeshadow to fill in any sparse areas that need to be filled in to give off more of that illusion. Oh, finally! Oh, that was glorious.
Hola, ¿cómo estás?
Hola!
I thought for a second there, I thought that the drink behind you was a part of your hair. I was like, oh, what's going on?
Oh no.
This is avant-garde.
I don't know how to do all that shit.
Okay, so how are we doing this werewolf?
So I just created a fake hairline.
I see it. Yeah, fake widow's peak.
With no, it's my hair. Wait, oh, wait, no, this is fur. This is actually leg warmers.
Creative.
And I'm using the liquid laxative.
You know what I mean? I wanted this shit tomorrow, but like I know I got the forehead for it, but I don't have that weird ass hair.
Oh, did you do?
Yeah. You with sideburns, that's hilarious.
From the side with my hair pulled back, I kind of look like freaking, what's his name? Wilbur Robinson from Meet the Robinson.
You did. Oh my god.
Hey, we have some decent-ish crappy sideburns going on. I don't know. High-key look like Wilbur Robinson. I look werewolfy.
You do.
Okay, so obviously I contoured my nose to look more wolf-like. I did my liner and I added some more details on my eyebrows off camera because my battery was dying, so I had to charge it, and I did that during that time. But also, don't forget to do the fur thing on your hands as well, and all you're going to do is repeat the exact same process we did for our widow's peak and our sideburns. Oh, and I also forgot to mention that I added a contour on my cheekbones as well. Alright, so now all we have left is to put in my fangs. poke out at the end like that. Like it's growing out of my hand. Alright, so now this is the completed look, and yes, I must say that I'm quite proud of myself. I wasn't sure how this was going to turn out, but I am happy with it. So this is the completed look. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like this video, get off my channel. If you want more content like this, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications so that when I upload every week. And I hope to see you creeps next time.